Newhouse Hardware CHM1 Doorbell Chime. Classic 2-note ding-dong sound for the front door button and has an additional connection with a separate dong for the rear or side door, used with a 16V/10 VA or 16V/15 VA transformer, not included, when connecting to a regular doorbell. Search 16TR or 3TRAN for a compatible transformer.
2.
Avantec D3B Waterproof Door Chime Kit, approved by FCC, CE and RoHS. We provide customer service on our products and we will always do our best to support you. Ultra-low power consumption. Uses a CR2032 lithium battery that boasts 3-year maximum lifespan, IP55 dustproof and waterproof. Working temperature ranges from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, withstands various harsh weather conditions. 2 plug-in receivers included, will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors, ensures that you will never miss any visitors, even if you are several rooms away.
3.
Avantec Mini Waterproof Doorbell. Our Avantec wireless doorbell is approved by FCC, CE and RoHS. We provide customer service on our products and we will always do our best to support you. Just plug the mini receiver into a socket and fix the transmitter on a wall with the accessories provided. Includes 2 screws, 2 anchors, a key and a piece of double-sided bonding tape. 1 plug-in receiver included, will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors, ensures you will never miss a visitor, even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor.
4.
SECRUI Wireless Doorbell. This wireless doorbells for home has been paired before delivery. There is no need for wiring or electrician installation when using it since its installation can be completed within 1 minute. Plug the receiver into the socket, ready to go. This high-frequency electronic technology wireless remote control doorbell adopts the FM signal scheme, which has strong anti-interference features and one-to-one signal pairing. No need to worry about signal connecting wrongly with the next door. And the sensing distance can reach up to 1000 ft in obstacle-free environment. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. Arlo's wired security doorbell camera lets you see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree view. HD with HDR quality footage from your video camera ensures you see the details on your devices even in low light or bright conditions. Hear and speak to visitors at your wired doorbell camera with clear 2-way audio or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy.